Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for, of course, you. Today, let me introduce you the Nintendo Switch 2 carrying case and screen protector in one. That thing is really cool because this skin helps to protect your brand new Nintendo Switch 2 console. It helps to protect our Nintendo Switch 2 system with this stylish and sturdy carrying case, along with a screen protector and a cleaning broth. This cleaning cloth and screen protection foil is good, but it's a little bit difficult to make this because it's so thin. It's not like an heavy tank glass protector or something else. It is a really small diameter foil which is included, but it works. To get started, we should of course enter our Switch 2 into the carrying case, and it matches 100%. And on top, of course, you can get it there to protect while you are on vacation, while you're on business trip or something else. This protects your screen, this protects your entire Switch, and this holds your Switch in one place with a nice carrying case. So that's easy, eh? Really easy. You can open and close it by using that zipper, and the zipper comes with an with an opener and a closer in an orange and in a blue design. Really cool because it looks really like your Joy-Con 2 colors. Okay, you see, you can get the Nintendo Switch 2 matches 100% because it's origin or it's a genius. Then of course you have place for your cartridge game cards. I think it was 6 of them you can place in that case, and you have a small bag included too. So then all what you need for travel is there: a full charge Nintendo Switch 2 and your games. They are all with you all day long. If you're on a vacation trip, or if you're on business trip, or if you're on vacation or something else. Really cool. This is a good additional stuff for your Nintendo Switch 2 to protect it and to make it mobile. Yeah. Then of course we have the second thing in it is we have this protection stuff. So to get started, we clean our screen with the included cloth. And of course, you should have a really good clean out and remove every debris, every dirt, everything, every wet areas and so on from the screen. Maybe you use these label sticker to remove some dirt of it and a finish process. And if you perform that, we peel off the backing from the screen protector. And the screen protector comes with 2 additional foils. I'm going to use foil number 1 first to remove, and after this I get it aligned with the screen. So we're pushing this then on top of our screen, and we are removing foil number 2, and then we let it slowly go on top of your screen. And then maybe you have to do is we're pushing out the air bubbles with the claws or with an other device with fingers or something else from the inside to the outside. And then it will help our screen to be protected from scratches and from debris too. So you have big protection with that foil, and you have a big protection with this Nintendo Switch 2 carrying case and screen protector. That's really cool. That's a nice stuff. You can see, let's move it now out of the box. The box is clear, as you can see. It's a clear vision box. We get it out, and it's all paper. That's good. The only plastic is inside, and then you have to recycle this plastic coverage, and we can start with the process. This is the Nintendo Switch 2 carrying case and screen protector. This is a good additional stuff for your Nintendo Switch 2. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Thun thun!